Tina, and in this song tutorial I'm going to show you how to play lightly row for the B-flat clarinet. We're only going to stay in our left hand today, and we're going to begin with open G, so no fingers down, but keep your fingers curved and close because you're going to drop down to E. So it's just your thumb and your index finger. So G, E, E, and then just lift up your index finger for F, and then put these two down for D. F, D, D, and then drop your C right here, that's your third finger, and walk up the clarinet, C, D, E, F, G, G, G. So I'm going to play that one for you. And then you're going to do almost the same thing again. There's going to be a little change at the end. So you have G, E, E, F, D, D, C, E, G, G, E. So drop your second finger down to D. You're going to have D, 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 E, F. I did a little bit of a crescendo in there to make it a little more fun. And then you're going to drop your index finger here, so you have E, 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 F, G. And then you're going to play that second phrase from the beginning again. So you'll have G, E, E, F, D, D, C, E, G, G, C. So I'll play the whole thing together again for you. I'll play the whole thing for you all together again. There, I got it, see? All right. So there you have Lightly Row. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any requests, please comment below. Thanks.